Hey, guess who I see in the store? The cutest girl from Oahu. Man, I tell you, hey. But who's the fastest chef?
Man with the pan.
Okay, big check of the man with the pan. Awesome. But who's the fastest scoop?
Man in the pan.
Yeah, big shaka, come on. Welcome to the man and the pan. You know, New Year's already over, and I know a lot of you folks have this kind of mochi for your ornaments. And these are mochi that you can find in the store. It's all dried mochi. I'm going to do it in two different ways. I'm going to make it Kinako, and I'm also going to make a Shoyu sugar butter way. First thing you do, you get a glass of water, put it in one of these Pyrex kind of mixing bowl, but you're going to have to microwave it. You grab your mochi, right? And here I got two kinds, just like this. You get the round one, I got the bigger square one, and put this in the water, okay? I'm going to microwave this for about a minute and a half. What I think is microwaving, turn on my stove, put medium low, I add in some olive oil just to coat the bottom. There you go, the microwave is ready, just about a minute and a half. Okay, I got two mochi, I got the square one and the round one. Working on this round mochi is soft now. I put it in the frying pan. Got the Kinako in here, right? Equal part of Kinako with almost equal part of sugar. But I don't make mine too sweet, so I just put a little less sugar inside there. Okay? I'll mix it up. Okay? And I got the mochi frying in here. Mochi. It is really amazing product because it takes like thousands of grain of rice coming together and make something so unreal. It's just like life, right? People working together, they come together and make stuff really good. Okay, when the thing is fried one side, just turn it over to fry the other side. I like to put a little crisp on the outside. It tastes a little better. People just want the Kinako mochi very soft, so they can just leave them in the microwave for like 2 minutes and take it out and just put it inside a Kinako. Okay, when it gets a little crusty on the outside, and that's the time to take it off. So here we go. I grab the thing, put it inside this great old Kinako, and mix it up. There you go. Look at that. Kinako mochi. Okay? For the Shoyu mochi. And you can use the square or round one. Okay? Put it right in the frying pan. And then grab a spoon. Gonna press it down. It's frying. It's kind of already soft. You put on some sugar right on the mochi. I add in a little butter on the bottom. I like butter. Mash the mochi down. You smash it a little or make it a little flatter. Okay, now just when it's about ready, right? You can see it's brown on both sides. You grab some soy sauce and you pour it on, okay? Just like this, okay? Okay. Here you go. I have the Kinako mochi and I have the regular mochi. Looks good. So now let's see how it tastes. Frozen mochi, you got dry mochi, you can do this amazing thing. Shoyu sugar mochi. Man. It's so good. Kinako mochi. This is one of my favorite when I grew up. Until next week, we'll see you on the Man and the Pan. Aloha.